my channel. If you're new subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will upload me and a week. So finally, my hiccups came now. So you can see me hiccuping. But I'm gonna like spread my bed. So let me spread my bed now. Yes, guys, I just wake up. And my hiccups came, guys. Finally, they came. I know you guys want these hiccups, and they're here. Hear me hiccuping now. So their hiccups are here now, okay? Because I want to tell you about the show. It was a really play show. It's amazing. My hiccups just came since I wake up. Alright guys, I want to tell you about the show. Let me do this for a second. So, I watched it. Wizard of Waverly Place. Don't mind me, guys. I'm doing something. So, yeah, I want to tell you that I enjoyed the show. Guys, my hiccups just came as soon as I wake up. See, you guys get to hear me hiccuping now. Let me just pause for a second. Yeah, guys, so I wanted to talk about this Wizard of Waverly Place, the show I watched from Tuesday to Thursday. And honestly speaking, it has 21 episodes. And I really would tell you, if you go on Disney and watch it, you will get the theory. So if you want, I could show you guys the episodes so you kind of understand what I'm saying, what I'm talking about. So let me pause and I'll show you. See, from 1 to 21 is kind of how Selena Gomez was back in the day. So if you want to go and watch these, I watched all of these episodes. They're amazing, and I can tell y'all, I literally love them. How amazing these episodes are. And if you are somebody that's like into watching this, you just go to Disney and you just look for this show, and then you just look for this show and you watch it on Disney, and then you're good to go. But okay, other than that, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy. And before I forget, I got some comments from some subscribers that I wanted to talk about, because I really appreciate the comments that you guys are giving me. So I want to just read them, because you know, anytime when I get a comment, I want to like go back and read. Okay, so let me go and find the comments, because you guys are amazing, you know. So let me find the video here. Okay, so this video right here, okay, I had a comment from a subscriber, and it says, wow, full lips, very deep mouth. And I said, thanks. And then this next comment from the same subscriber said, it is great, I watch it over and over again. Are your lips original? Of course, yes, they are real. And I said yes, and they said, oh, how wild. And then that was it. But yeah, I appreciate your comments so much. And then I had another comment from a subscriber yesterday that said, great video. I am super sick right now, and your voice is very smoothing. LOL, keep up the good work. And I said, thank you. So like I said, guys, thank you so much for your comments. I really appreciate you guys so much. Now you will finally get to hear me hiccuping. I know you guys were so addicted to it. So as soon as I wake up this morning, my hiccups came, and I said, I'm going to do this video for y'all, so you guys will be like, she ain't doing it. So I finally did it. Finally, guys. I'm so happy that I did it because I knew you guys want me to do it. And I finally did because I know you guys really want me to do this hiccup video. Now it is out of the way and I'm so happy because I know you guys really want me to do this hiccup video. And I finally did it because I know you guys want me to do it. I know, okay? All right. But other than that, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy. I cannot wait to see you guys on my next one. And you will get to hear me hiccup big, okay? Bye. And I'll see you guys soon with more vlogs. Bye.